Have you ever considered how an effective data strategy could revolutionize your organization's performance? Let's delve into this riveting topic together. In our rapidly evolving digital world, data has become the lifeblood of organizations, large and small. It's the hidden gem that, when mined and refined properly, can yield invaluable insights. A well-crafted data strategy is the map that guides us to these precious insights. Think about it as a compass. As a compass directs a traveler towards their destination, a data strategy steers an organization towards its goals. It helps businesses to navigate the complex labyrinth of data, to extract meaningful information, and to apply this knowledge in a way that fosters growth and prosperity. Now imagine your organization as a high-powered sports car. Data is the fuel that powers this car, and your data strategy is the GPS that charts the most efficient route to your destination. With a well-defined data strategy, your organization can race ahead of competitors, reaching your goals with speed and precision. So, what are the benefits of a data strategy? First and foremost, it empowers informed decision-making. With a clear understanding of your data landscape, you can make decisions based on factual evidence rather than conjecture. It's like having a crystal ball that provides a clear view of the present and an insightful glimpse into the future. Moreover, a data strategy improves efficiency. It eliminates the guesswork, reducing time and resources wasted on unproductive pursuits. It's like having a master key that unlocks the door to streamlined operations and increased productivity. Finally, an effective data strategy enhances competitiveness. By leveraging data-driven insights, you can anticipate market trends, understand customer behavior, and innovate ahead of the curve. It's like having a secret weapon that gives you an edge in the competitive business arena. Indeed, a robust data strategy can transform the way an organization operates and competes. But how does one develop a data strategy that aligns with their organization's goals, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the step-by-step process that can help transform your business and enable you to make more informed decisions. First things first, we need to define the objectives. What is it that your organization hopes to achieve? Perhaps you want to improve customer engagement, streamline operations, or increase revenue. Whatever your goal, it's crucial to articulate it clearly. This will act as your North Star, guiding your data strategy and ensuring it's aligned with your business objectives. Next, we identify the data needs. What kind of information will help you achieve these goals? Do you need customer data, financial data, operational data, or perhaps a combination of these? Identifying your data needs early on will help you focus your efforts and resources on gathering the right kind of data. Then comes assessing your existing data infrastructure. Most organizations already have some form of data infrastructure in place. It could be customer databases, financial records, or operational logs. The question is, are these systems effective? Are there gaps or redundancies? This step involves a thorough review of your existing data systems, identifying their strengths and weaknesses, and determining how they can be improved or integrated. Now let's talk about data governance. This is a critical aspect of any data strategy. It's all about managing the availability, usability, integrity, and security of the data in your organization. It includes establishing roles and responsibilities, defining policies and procedures, and implementing tools and technologies to ensure data is handled correctly and securely. Effective data governance helps maintain data quality and prevent data breaches. And speaking of quality, the next step is to establish a plan for data quality control. This involves setting standards for data accuracy, consistency, and completeness. It also includes processes for monitoring and improving data quality. Remember, it's not just about collecting data, it's about ensuring that the data you have is reliable and useful. Finally, we need to prioritize data projects and investments. Not all data initiatives will have the same impact on your organization. Some will be more critical to your goals than others. Prioritizing these projects involves evaluating their potential benefits, costs, and risks, and deciding which ones to pursue first. Developing a data strategy may seem like a daunting task, but it's a crucial one. The world is becoming increasingly data-driven, and organizations that do not have a robust data strategy risk being left behind. It's a meticulous process, but one that can yield immense benefits for your organization. With a well-crafted data strategy, you can transform data into actionable insights, drive innovation, and achieve your business goals. Let's take a look at a real-life example of a company that successfully implemented a data strategy. We're going to journey through the story of a mid-sized retail company, let's call it Retail Co., that transformed its operations and outcomes through a focused data strategy. Retail Co., like many others, was struggling to stay ahead in an increasingly competitive market. They knew they had a wealth of data from various sources: sales, customer feedback, supply chain, and digital footprints, but they were grappling with how to harness it effectively. Recognizing the need for change, Retail Co.'s leadership decided to develop a comprehensive data strategy. The first step was to align this strategy with their broader organizational goals. The company wanted to improve customer satisfaction, streamline supply chain operations, and increase sales. So they identified key data points that could help measure and influence these goals. The next step was to prioritize their data projects and investments. They couldn't do everything at once, so they focused on high-impact, low-cost initiatives first. This included projects like developing a customer segmentation model and optimizing their inventory management system. However, Retail Co. faced several challenges along the way. They encountered resistance from employees who were used to traditional ways of working. They also grappled with data quality issues and the need for new technologies to manage and analyze their data. But through strong leadership and consistent communication, they were able to overcome these obstacles. They invested in data literacy training for their employees to foster a data-driven culture. They also implemented data governance protocols to improve data quality, and they adopted new technologies like cloud-based data warehouses and advanced analytics tools. As Retail Co. began to implement their data strategy, they started to see significant improvements. The customer segmentation model helped them understand their customers better and personalize their marketing efforts. This led to an increase in customer satisfaction and sales. The optimized inventory management system reduced waste and improved efficiency in their supply chain. But the benefits of Retail Co.'s data strategy didn't stop there. The company also gained a competitive edge. They were able to anticipate market trends and customer needs better than their competitors thanks to their data-driven insights. They could also make quicker and more informed decisions, giving them an edge in a fast-paced retail environment. And the results were clear in their bottom line. Within 2 years of implementing their data strategy, Retail Co. saw a 20% increase in sales and a 15% increase in customer satisfaction. Their supply chain operations also became more efficient, leading to cost savings. Retail Co.'s success story illustrates the transformative power of a well-exercised data strategy. It wasn't an easy journey, and they faced several challenges along the way. But by staying focused on their goals, prioritizing effectively, and fostering a data-driven culture, they were able to turn their data into a strategic asset. This story is just one of many. Companies across industries are harnessing the power of data to drive their success. They're using data to understand their customers, optimize their operations, and make better decisions. And as data becomes increasingly important in our digital world, a robust data strategy is becoming a necessity, not a luxury. As you can see, a well-executed data strategy can lead to significant improvements in business performance and competitiveness. It can turn data from a raw, underutilized asset into a powerful tool for success. So, whether you're a small business or a multinational corporation, a well-thought-out data strategy could be the key to your future success. Once you have a data strategy, it's time to create a roadmap, a plan for how you'll execute your data-driven initiatives. Creating a data roadmap is like plotting a journey. You have your destination in mind. That's your data strategy. Now you need to map out the route you'll take to get there. This requires identifying key projects, prioritizing investments, and setting timelines. Let's start with identifying key projects. Each project is like a milestone on your journey. It's a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goal that moves you closer to your destination. These projects may involve things like data collection, data analysis, data visualization, or data governance. The projects you choose should directly support your data strategy and drive your organization closer to its broader goals. Next, we come to prioritizing investments. Not all projects are created equal. Some will offer a higher return on investment or ROI than others. Some will be more critical to achieving your strategic goals. Prioritizing your investments involves evaluating each project in terms of its potential ROI and its strategic importance. It's like choosing which roads to take on your journey. The fastest, most direct routes will get you to your destination more quickly and efficiently. Setting timelines is also crucial. Each project on your data roadmap needs a start date and an end date. This helps ensure that your data initiatives stay on track and that your resources are used effectively. It's like setting a schedule for your journey. You need to know when you're leaving, when you're arriving, and how long you'll spend on the road. However, it's important to remember that a data roadmap is not set in stone. It needs to be flexible and adaptable. The world of data is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging, new opportunities are arising, new challenges are presenting themselves. Your roadmap needs to be able to adapt to these changes. It's like having a GPS for your journey. When the road ahead is blocked, you need to be able to find an alternative route. This flexibility and adaptability are what make a data roadmap so powerful. They allow your organization to respond quickly and effectively to changes in the data landscape. They enable you to seize new opportunities as they arise, and they help ensure that your data initiatives remain aligned with your broader business goals no matter what changes come your way. In conclusion, creating a data roadmap is a crucial step in executing your data strategy. It's about identifying key projects, prioritizing investments, and setting timelines. It's about being flexible and adaptable. And above all, it's about ensuring that your data initiatives align with your broader business goals. A well-crafted data roadmap not only guides your data initiatives, it also ensures they align with your broader business goals. So, what have we learned about the importance of data strategy and roadmap in an organization? We've uncovered the true power of a well-crafted data strategy. It's not merely about collecting and storing data, but rather, it's about aligning this data with your organization's goals and objectives. It's about converting raw, unstructured information into actionable insights that drive decision-making and growth. An effective data strategy allows you to harness the potential of your data, transforming it into a strategic asset that propels your organization forward. We've delved into the process of developing a data strategy. It begins with understanding your organization's objectives, identifying the data needed to achieve these objectives, and then determining how to collect, store, analyze, and use this data. It's a meticulous process that requires thorough planning and a deep understanding of both your organizational goals and the data landscape. We've also seen the importance of creating a data roadmap. This is the blueprint that guides your data initiatives, ensuring they align with your overall strategy and objectives. It helps to prioritize your data projects and investments, determining which initiatives to undertake, when to undertake them, and how to allocate resources effectively. A robust data roadmap is a tool that ensures your data strategy is actionable and results-driven. In our case study, we observed the impact of a successful data strategy on an organization. We saw how it led to improved decision-making, increased efficiency, and an enhanced competitive advantage. This organization was able to leverage its data to identify trends and patterns, predict outcomes, and make informed decisions that drove its success. This is the true power of a data strategy. It turns data into a powerful tool that can transform an organization. But let's not forget, developing a data strategy and creating a roadmap is not a one-off process. It requires ongoing review and adjustment to ensure it remains aligned with your evolving goals and the changing data landscape. It's a dynamic process that requires continuous effort and commitment. So as we conclude, let's remind ourselves of the key takeaway from our journey through the world of data strategy and roadmap. They are not just mere tools or processes, they are strategic assets that, if utilized effectively, can drive your organization's success in our data-driven world. They enable you to make sense of the vast amounts of data at your disposal, turning it into actionable insights that propel your organization forward. In today's data-driven world, an effective data strategy and roadmap are not just nice to have, they're essential for business success.